Welcome to Maths with EJD. In this video, we'll be talking about compensation addition. We have these numbers to add, and the normal thing you should do is, add 8 and 4, how you carry 1 over, add it to 7 and 3. That's pretty easy, right? But then it can actually be easier. So if you want to do this in your head very fast, it's easy to add 70 to 38 plus something than to, or even 74 plus something plus 40 than 38. So what you can do is you can pick any of the numbers and do whatever you like with them. So I'll pick 38 because it's closer to 40. You can also pick 74 and maybe actually drive it down to 70 or make it up to 80. Whatever the difference is, you compensate for it. That's why we call it compensation addition. So here now I have 74. So I want to work on the 40. So I have 74 plus. Okay, now I have 74, right? And I know I'm going to add 2 to 38. So that is 74 plus 38. That's what we have. So because I need to take this to 40, so I add 2 to this. But because I've added 2 to this, I have to compensate with minus 2 here. So I have 74 minus 2, that is 72. 38 plus uh, 2 is 40. So we can easily add, it's easier to add 72 plus 40 than 74 plus 38. And that will just give us 2 plus 0 is 2. 72. 7 plus 4 is 11. And that is what we need. Okay. So the next one, 56 plus 27. You can choose anyone you like. Okay, let me go. Let me take 56. Let me take it up to 60, or I can take it down to 50. But 60 should be easier. Anyone you like, you get the same results. So instead of 56, now I just have 56 plus 4. That takes it up to 60. And because I've added 4 now, that's 56 plus 4. That'll take it up to 60. But because I've added 4 here, I have to subtract the 4 from 27. So that's why it is called compensation addition. So 56 plus 6 plus 4 is 60. 27 minus 4 is 23. So this way we just have, it's easy to add 60 plus 23 compared to 56 plus 27. So this will just be 83. And we have it, we have that. So that's exactly what you get if you add it directly. But I mean, since it's a mental thing, so in your head, you can just do this without stress. So here we have 83 plus 59. So I want to take 59 to 60. So add 1 to this and subtract the 1 from here. So 83 minus 1 is 82. 59 plus 1 is 60. And this is easier to do than the original thing. So this is just 142. Okay. And then the next one, I have 92 plus 47. Again, I can add 3 to 47 to make 50. So we just have 92 because I'm adding 3 to 47, so I can subtract the 3 from here. Then I have 47 plus 3. So add 3 here. So you compensate, add 3 here, subtract it from the other one. So you now have 92 minus 3 is 89 plus 50. So this is easier to add than, okay, well, the original thing is even easy to add to, but I mean, this is easier to add because of the 0, right? So this is just 139, and that goes. So you want to try this out. Till I come your way again, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep enjoying maths together. Bye.